Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with CurlsQueen. I collaborated with them previously and they sent me over some clip-ins, but it did not match with my texture, so they decided to send me over this 4A 4B texture, and I think this is the perfect blend. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did this flip over look. Let's get right into this video. So I start off with my hair looking like this, and I wanted to show you what came in the packaging. So this is the box. It's like beat up because of the shipping company, and it comes with a bonnet, a brush, and some extra clips in case you lose any of yours. And they sent me over one set of clips, so I will have these linked down below, and you can see they're very thick. So we're going to be using the whole set today. This is their little thing that they like to put on there, and I'm just showing you how thick the hair is. So I start off by doing my braiding pattern. So I am going to show you guys exactly what I do. I section my hair down the middle, and I'm going to take out the front area that I want to use to cover my flip over section. I'm going to braid that out of the way, and then I'm going to do 2 anchor braids. That's going to help seal off the hair at the top. So I'm doing this very big, especially because I have nails. This is a little bit more difficult for me to do, so you guys can see me struggling my hair, but you want to do 2 anchor braids. This is just a demo. And then I'm going to join that to the first set of braids at the top, and then I'm going to join that to my braid that I'm doing at the back. If you have time, you can just go ahead and braid all of this into cornrows, but I don't. So I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side, and then we'll be ready to start installing these clips. So now that you look like this, I'm going to go in with some of my bobby pins, and I'm going to pin these 2 things on both sides, just like that. Then I am going to use this 5 clip. I'm just showing you they have 2 4 clips. I'm showing you how it is on the other side, and then 2 3 clips, and then they give you 4 of the 2 clips. So I'm going to start off using the 2 clips at the very back of my head. I'm just turning around so you guys can see how my hair looks, and I'm doing that upside down, and I'm going to clip it going up into my hair. Just in case if you want to do like a ponytail or something, this is why you turn it in that direction. And then I'm going to go up above that with one of the 3 clips. Like that. And then I'm going to use one of the 4 clips. And then I'm going to use the 5 clips. And then I'm going to start doing the same exact thing, doing 5, 4, 2, 3, like that, going up. So you can see I already installed half of the clips already, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of the clips. And this pattern is very easy. It's kind of like doing a sew-in, but you're just clipping it onto your hair, and it's looking so good already. This hair is super full. Now I'm almost done, so I'm getting excited. Well, not almost done, but I'm almost done installing. Now I'm doing just a 3 clip one, and then I'm going to start applying the 2 clips all around the front of the hair, like that. And now I'm taking my hair out in the front, and look at this blending already, and I'm not even done moisturizing or anything. So this is how big it looks. Super full hair. I'm going to put the hair up and get ready to start moisturizing the hair. So I'm sectioning it in 2 sections, and then I'm going to start doing my moisture routine. Once I section that out of the way, you want to do this in 4 sections in the back. I'm spritzing it with some water. I'm going in with this Miel Avocado Moisture Milk Cream, and then I'm going to brush that through. I'm going in with the Alake Natural Shea Yogurt Moisturizer, and I'm putting that on top. and then I'm using some extreme gel to define. You'd basically want to treat this hair like it's your natural hair, so you definitely want to do this if you want any definition in the hair. And I am finger coiling today to make it super defined. And I'm going to do this to the whole head, so you can just watch what I'm doing because it's the same exact routine.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
And then once I'm done, I went ahead and put some of that extreme gel on my hair, my natural hair, and I'm just combing it through and making sure that it's nice and blended. And then I'm just doing my edges because I really wanted to do some edges with this hairstyle. And I did go ahead and use some Gorilla Snot to make sure that the hair is going to stay laid down. And then I'm going to blow it on warm air and cool air, making sure that it's nice and dried. And then once my hair is dry to the touch, then I know I'm ready to go ahead and dry the rest of the hair. So I'm using this heat protectant and my diffuser to just go around the hair and dry it. I did not dry it to 100%, but more like 80%, and then I made it dry the rest of the way by itself. But this is so cute, like it looks so natural. It definitely matches my hair. I do not have to put any heat on my hair. I'm doing cool air and warm air, but besides that, I don't have to like curl my actual hair or anything. This is amazing. This flip over style came out so good. If you guys are interested in getting your hair to look like this, or if you have hair texture similar to mine and you just want to do something low maintenance, I will have CurlsQueen linked down below so you guys can get these clips. I am so excited that I finally got some clips that matches my natural hair. I really want to try out doing some flexi rods or something with this hair. So tell me if you guys want to see a video like that, me testing out some flexi rods on these clips. I'm obsessed with these clips, okay? Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Like I said, don't forget to check out CurlsQueen. I will have the links down below. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Continue to try to play these games.